Now, we rely on Google. It's our go-to platform for any research that is big or small. But what if we tell you that your search history isn't always private? In fact, some Google searches can land you in some serious legal trouble. Now, Google is the most popular search engine across the globe. It accounts for nearly 89% of the total search engine market share. However, not everything that you search on Google is safe. Your one careless online search can have some real-world consequences. So here are the top 4 things that you should avoid searching on Google. Any search related to bomb-making process is a serious crime, and agencies are constantly monitoring for such activity. Any searches related to weapons or explosives could trigger an investigation as well. Now, child pornography is illegal across the globe. Accessing or even unintentionally encountering such material can have severe legal consequences. The authorities are actively tracking and blocking websites that contain child abuse material, and anyone who's caught searching for such online material will face some pretty harsh penalties. The searching for hacking tools like tutorials and software should also be avoided. While ethical hacking is a legitimate profession, illegal hacking is a serious crime, and authorities monitor online activity for signs of hacking or the use of malicious software. Engaging in such activities can have some severe consequences, including imprisonment. Downloading pirated movies? Well, think again. Although the thought of watching a new movie online for free sounds pretty tempting, do avoid it. Downloading or streaming pirated movies is illegal. For instance, in India, piracy can land you in jail for up to 3 years. The online world is a treasure trove of information, but at the same time, it's also a minefield of legal dangers. Remember, the power, of course, lies in your hand, or should we say, in the click of your fingers.